Welcome back to the CyberScroll. It is the very first Patch Tuesday of 2026, and Microsoft has just dropped a massive cumulative update for Windows 11. We're looking at KB 5074109, which brings us to OS builds 2.6.200.7623 for version 25, H2 and 2.6.100.7623 for version 24, H2. If you're running either of the latest versions of Windows 11, the changes are identical. This update is mandatory, focusing heavily on security hardening and fixing some annoying bugs from late 2025. Let's break down what's new. First up, a warning for legacy hardware users. Microsoft is doing some housekeeping. This update permanently removes several old modem drivers, specifically the Agere systems and legacy serial drivers. If you are somehow still rocking ancient dial-up hardware or specific legacy industrial equipment relying on these files, they will stop working after this patch. On the networking side, we have two critical fixes. First, if you use the Windows subsystem for Linux or WSL, you might have run into no root to host errors when using a VPN recently. That is finally patched. Second, for the enterprise admins watching, connection failures in Azure Virtual Desktop remote apps caused by the October updates have also been resolved. Do you have a newer AI PC with a neural processing unit? Microsoft found a bug where the NPU was keeping devices awake even when they were supposed to be idle, killing battery life. AB5074109 patches this behavior, so your sleep mode should actually sleep. Now for the features rolling out with this update. Microsoft is pushing the new recommended feed in File Explorer to more users. Instead of just showing recently opened files, this uses an algorithm to highlight files you might want to use next, including recent downloads. You might also notice the new Share with Copilot button appearing on your taskbar for quick context sharing. And finally, check your Settings app. There is a new Advanced Settings page under System. Microsoft is finally moving features like Windows Sandbox and Hyper-V management out of the old control panel and directly into the modern Settings app. Under the hood, there is some serious security hardening. Secure Boot is getting a phased update to its certificates, and Windows Deployment Services has disabled hands-free deployment by default to prevent unauthorized imaging. They also updated WinSQLite 3.dll to stop false positive flags from third-party antivirus software. This update is available right now in Windows Update. Let me know in the comments. Are you seeing the new settings page yet, or are you still waiting on the rollout? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the CyberScroll for more Windows news. See you in the next one.